really cute. Hello friends, welcome to another studio vlog. In today's vlog I'm going to be putting together a notepad. I got an order for my patriotic American notepads over the weekend and I'm short one, so I need to get this last one started and put together and mailed off. I'm going to bring you along with me, so let's go ahead and get that going. But before we get started, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please. And don't forget to push that subscribe button as well, because when you do, you won't miss out on future studio vlogs. There's going to be some talking in this vlog, but there's also going to be plenty of ASMR. Come join me. Hi, friends. I'm just getting back from my son's house, almost 2 hours away. It is almost 10 o'clock in the morning. Got Coco Natasha on the TV watching her. But I got an order for 4 of my patriotic Americana notepads. And I got an order of 4 and I've only got 3. So I got to get busy today to make that last one, because I need to do it from scratch. Because I need to print them out, I need to cut them out, I need to make 50 pages, and then I need to glue them. I think I have it in my Affinity photo. It should be relatively easy to find. There it is. Easy, yay! Look at that. So it's not in Affinity photo. I'm going to get out of there. We'll keep this file open, and that's where I'm going to print from. I try to print PDF files as much as possible. So I got to find the paper and fill the printer up with the paper. Everything's going to be fine. HP Premium 32. It's got like a slippery, smooth feel to it. Not buttery, but slippery and smooth. So I need to print out 25 pages. I'll do 10 at a time. I see that my gray is getting low. It's telling me it's getting low, but it's not out yet. So I'm going to print 10 at a time. So it's going to take a while to print out all of them. I think I've already printed out 2 or 3. So I'm finishing watching Coco Natasha on my computer. I need to print out a belly band. Let me show you what I'm making. This is what I'm making. I'm making a notepad. It contains 50 sheets, and on the top it says, "A note unto a fellow patriot." This is in, there we go. This is in celebration of America's 250th birthday this year. So I made a lot of patriotic items, and this is one of them, a notepad. On the inside, when the belly band is taken off, you'll see a parchment type of paper in the middle, and then the frame is very red, white, and blue, and stars and stripes. The parchment paper has that text on all of them, and I think it's just really cute. And then the belly band, I've always loved the way that came out. So cute. So, okay, the printer has stopped. Wow, that was faster than I thought. Let me turn you around. Unless it is, it's still thinking. So because these are already made, I'm going to go ahead and I'll put them in some cellophane.